How to log out of your account on Marble application. First, you want to open your Marble app. And inside the Marble application, if you are not logged in into your account, you want to simply tap on this sign in option. And here you want to simply type it out your email to log in into your account. However, if you are already logged in into your account already, you'll be able to see your profile icon at the top left of your screen. Here you want to simply go to your profile and you'll be able to find the log out option at the very bottom of the page. However, there is also another way to log out pretty quickly. You want to come back from the app first, tap and hold on to your Marble application and tap on app info. Tap on storage and cache and simply clear your storage from here. By doing so, you'll be removing all the users' data, hence logging you out of your account as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.